Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily buy shares in your Trading212 account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in trading, you want to click here on new order, or just find some stock here or just search for it. And I don't know, let's say that I'm going to invest to Alphabet, right? So I see an Alphabet, I see this price, but right now the market is not open. So it's okay. Now we can click buy. And now, first you see market. You're gonna see numbers of shares here, or you can add like value. Also, when you add value, like it will give you 1.5 shares, or I can get number of shares that if you buy like 2 shares, it's going to cost 2,500 euro. It's always converting because I'm buying the American stock and not the European stock, so it's in dollars and it needs to convert to euro because I'm from Europe. Then you can like see numbers of shares, or you can like write numbers, or you can play with the slider here. So let's like add, I don't know, 2 shares. Then you're gonna see like the limit. Set the maximum price you are willing to pay per share. So, and you can get like on the end of the day, I want to buy 2 shares at this price. Okay. Or I can get like stop, set the price above the current price that converts your order to market order. Again, end of the day. Or you get stop limit. Then set the maximum price you are willing to pay per share. And that's pretty much it, and this is how you play around it. Okay, so let's click market here. I'm going to just buy shares, review order, commission free, cost this, number of shares free, send by order. And it's been placed right now. And now, right now, you can see in the right down corner that free funds 46,000, account value 50,000, and right results 0. You don't see the invested money right now here, only because one thing is that I only placed order when the market is not on. So that's pretty much it. And when you click history, it's deposit. And yeah. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any options, ask down in the comments. And you can see it right here, the pending orders. So yeah. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.